So hot. Hey guys, welcome back to another video of German's Plant World. Today we're back here with another video. So, today's video we're going to be harvesting the last two grow bags of sweet potatoes. I have my sister joining me today. We're going to be taking the sweet potatoes right here. We're going to put all the dirt in here. And we're going to separate the sweet potatoes from all the leaves and dirt. So, we're going to get into that right now. Alright, so right now my sister is pulling the leaves, and then we're going to both start transferring the dirt into this clear green tote. And then we're going to have a whole lot of sweet potatoes and whatnot. So, yeah, let's go ahead and see what we can get. Because, oh, and by the way, the other video, the first one we did, because we actually had 3 grow bags, but the first one is on the family channel. You can go watch that. Remember, make sure you go subscribe and like. So, as you can see, we already have like maybe 2 in there already. I have pulling more out. As you can see, really, we could have left these in for a little bit longer, but it's alright. And we just gotta take these in and clean it. Oh, wait. Hold on.
I got one.
Nice.
Alright, so right now, this is our harvest, and we're putting all the dirt in this green tote. So we just decided to show you our harvest. We got little sweet potatoes and big sweet potatoes.
Alright guys, so I have all my stuff right here. I have all the potatoes, and now it is rinsing time. So we're gonna go ahead and clean these, and we're gonna go ahead and dump them in the sink. That way we can rinse them one at a time, and that way they each get a good cleaning in, and we didn't get very much out of those two. We could have left them in a little longer. Like I said, um, it's all right. We was a little nosy, but if you have nothing else, you will always have potatoes. You will always live on potatoes if anything happens. And by the way, just so you know, to know that your potatoes, sweet potatoes, or whatever you have growing, to know that for potatoes, if to know that ugh, to know that the that it's ready to pull out the dirt for potatoes is when the leaves start dying. That's when you know it's like time. And sometimes the sweet potato will give you a flower, and that is giving a warning like, hey, it's almost time. And then the leaves will start dying off, and that's when you are ready to pull them out the dirt. So yeah, we're gonna give these a rinse, and yeah. Okay, guys, so right now, these are the potatoes, all cleaned and everything. It's not much, like I said, but it's okay. We can always do something with these, and we will always plant more potatoes. We will not give up. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.